If you have a batch of green peas and you're tired of making stew with it, here's a very nice recipe where you can make it as a snack. Very crunchy and very easy to make. I have 1.5 kgs of green peas, and beside it is my seasoning. That is 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Then I have a half teaspoon of cumin and a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Pick your pot and place it on a medium flame. Add in 3 cups of water. Then add in your green peas and wait for them to boil. Then I'll add in my salt, cover it and give it 3 to 5 minutes of boiling. Make sure it's tender, not smashed. After 5 minutes, I'll check on my green peas. I'll turn off my stove and drain the boiling water. I'm done draining the excess water. Now I'll move into the next step, which is drying off the excess water on my peas. I love how they are halfway done. You can see. I'll pour half of it and dry it, the excess water on it. Spread it out. You have to be careful not to burn yourself. The reason I'm drying them is because of the next step, which will be seasoning. I'll pick my clear bowl, which I'll be using to season them inside here. There, lovely. Add in the rest of it. Lovely. And I'll set this aside since I will not be using it again. Spread down. You have to be careful because they're hot. And dry them. I love boiling it with salt because it will make it tastier. I'll hold down this side for them not to fall. Then I'll try shake them, wiggle them to dry them. If you boil them for too long, it's gonna be hard for you to dry them because they will break. As you can see, mine are still intact. As I told you, boil them halfway. Easy for you to dry. And I love how it turned out. I'll set this aside. The next step, which will be seasoning. See how they look? Lovely, right? Love how they look. The texture is raw. So the next step now will be seasoning. Remember, at first, before boiling, I added salt into it. Now this time, I'll add in my flavors. Remember, your taste, your choice. Mix everything and make sure they are evenly mixed and that the flavors are evenly spreaded into each and every peas. Just love how they're turning out. Love how they're turning out. This is so lovely. Next step will be frying. I'll take my pan, put it on a medium flame. I'll add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'll give it around 5 seconds for the oil to get hot. My oil is ready as I dropped 1 piece. Then I'll scoop a bunch. I love how my season is stuck on the peas. Then I'll carefully drop them in. Depending on the size of your pan, please don't overcrowd it. I let it cook for around 7 minutes before I stir it up. I'll be taking it out. Hence, I'll be turning off my stove. At this point, I have to be very careful not to spill the hot oil. I love the color. I love how crispy they sound. And since they're very hot, I'll be very careful to take my first bite. Love how crispy they are. I love the taste. Yeah, and I hope you try this recipe.